Okay, well today I am replacing the bottom wheel of the garage door. Alright, so to do that, I had to disassemble this bottom track, and all I'm going to do is take this wheel out of the bracket. I am not going to take that bracket off because that is where the tension cable is. I don't know how well you can see it there. You know, different things I had checked on, they said that if you're not careful that the door can come down and kill you. Well, obviously I don't want that. And so what these are, there's like 3 places on my garage where this track runs to remove the screw. Okay, there's another one, and then there's another one down at the very bottom. Okay, there's 2 at each of the top, like the end points, and it has, and there you go, you can see that's where I had took off a couple of the nuts, and it has those square lock nuts on the back of them. Okay, anyways, I'm using a vice grips to get those off, as you see here, and it seems to be working pretty good, so I'll come back to you and let you know how it's going. Okay, so I didn't take the whole track out yet. As you see, I actually was able to get enough of it moved to where I can now take that bottom wheel out. See, it's disconnected, and I'm leaving that connected, and all I'm going to do, literally, is grab this wheel, pull it out, and replace it with a good one. Okay, I now have the new wheel here. I'm going to put it in here. Carefully slide that door back up and get it into the track. Alright, let's get it up in there. There she be. Alright, and she's back in the track. I did get the nuts all back in there real nice with the vice grips. Those 2 bottom nuts put back on, the lock nuts. Got the track back in place. I will be lubing up this track. Okay, so there we go. The wheel's in place, back in the track. It was pretty easy. And just so you know, when you do put the track back in there, just make sure it's lined up really well where it was at, okay? Alright, thanks for watching.